Do you have a leaky faucet? Professional bathtub faucet repair and installation in Highland Park. Call the plumber near me. Do you have a leaky faucet or planning to upgrade your bathtub fixtures? We're here to help. From small drips to floods of worry, we dash in, we fix in a hurry. Quality's our steadfast guide. With guaranteed work, we take pride. Emergency plumbing team of experienced plumbers in Highland Park specializes in bathtub faucet repair and installation, ensuring your bathroom functions beautifully and efficiently. From simple repairs to complete installations, we provide quick, reliable, and high-quality service tailored to your needs. Get in touch with licensed plumber today for expert plumbing solutions and give your bathroom the attention it deserves. We are trusted plumbing services provider in North Shore and northwest suburbs of Chicago. Emergency plumber on call 24/7 in Highland Park and beyond. Phone 224-754-1984.